Good morning, ma'am. You just witnessed a simulation of what you'll face this evening. Studies show that households that run out of candy are 55% more likely to be PPs. Tell the birds to try. I'm here selling Halloween candy from my school, Westbrook Press.
I think the kitty has a little weird sense of humor.
Just trying to get
He is trying to get his Angry Bird, and yet in a Mega Block container.
When a guy with tattoos comes up to the drive-thru, give him his burger, not your phone.
Thank you for the advice. I'll be sure.
Stookie, you can't get it that way.
Eggs, shaving cream, toilet paper. Without candies, I'm afraid your house is a bullseye with shingles.
Nice try. Not my house.
Babysitter? Okay, let's cut the crap. Maybe the parents you work for left you $40 in emergency money. Maybe they left me 30. So if you give me 20, I write a receipt for 30 and you pocket 10. Maybe. And I want 2 extra bags of peanut clusters, 1 bag, and I'm talking a licorice whip.